Hello everyone. So today I'm not going to cover any tough complex shortcut keys but the actual ones that can help you increase your speed and Windows productivity. I will begin with an easy one and end with the kill switch. We all know Alt Ctrl plus Delete to open a task manager when your Windows lag. But did you know you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to directly open the task manager? Ever wondered an easy way to shift between different apps on Windows? Alt plus Tab will let you easily shift between different apps on Windows, and Alt plus Shift plus Tab helps you shift backward between apps. Don't want to open Windows Explorer with mouse? No problem. Use Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Web page is not loading? Don't worry. Press Ctrl plus F5 key to refresh the page and clear the cache. Want to see those sticky notes on desktop but all the apps are open? Press Windows plus D key to quickly go to the desktop and resume your work by clicking the keys again. Want to rename a file quickly? Press F2 key and you can rename the file easily. Want to take a quick screenshot? Press Windows key plus print screen key to take a screenshot. Are you in a hurry and quickly want to lock the windows? Press Alt plus L key to lock out of the windows. Want to quickly switch tabs in browsers? Press Ctrl plus Tab to shift forward and Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab to shift backwards in the browser. Do you know that you can create more than one desktop? Press Windows plus Ctrl plus D to create a new desktop and Windows plus Ctrl plus F4 to delete a desktop. Shifting between different desktops has never been easier with the Windows plus Ctrl plus arrow keys. You can shift between different desktops quickly and easily with this shortcut. The last key is the deadly reset key. You can press Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B key to reset your graphic driver when your laptop completely freezes. That's it from my side, guys. These were my top 12 picks for Windows shortcut keys. Tell your favorite one in the comments below. If you like my idea presenting tech news in fast bits, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.